What's up, everybody? Bradley Sutton from Helium 10, and today I'm going to talk to you about Helium 10's product research tool, Black Box, and specifically how to use the advanced filter called sales to review. All right, that's fine. You'll find that right here. Sales to review ratio, basically that's saying how many sales per month the customer or the seller or this product is selling compared to the number of reviews that they have. All right, let's go ahead and show how this would work. I'm going to look in the health and household category, and I want to see something with a high number of sales compared to the number of reviews. So I'm going to say minimum, give me a minimum of 50, and I want good selling products. So let's say minimum monthly sales of 500. All right. And just to narrow this down, I'm going to narrow it down to something I know, which is collagen. And let's hit search. So what this is going to do is it's going to show everybody with a ratio of at least 50 sales per month to every one review they have. So here it found 5 products. Here's one that only has 4 reviews, but they sell 1,000 units a month. Here's another one. They sell about 1,000 units a month. They only have 17 reviews. Here's another one. They're selling 1,800 a month, and they only have 16 and 10 reviews. Now, this basically will show you that maybe this niche, to get to be a good selling product, you don't have to have that many reviews. You know, as you know, if you're launching a product, you're going to have very few, if any, reviews. It's also, these listings might be newer, so they would be, like, let's say these were on page 1, they would be easier to kind of steal their sales, to bump them from page 1 if you wanted to get your product in there. Now, if you had not used this filter, let me just show you the opposite of what might happen. Let's keep everything the same, except we're going to look at products that have only a 0.25 to, let's say, a 0.75 sales to review. All right, 7 products it found. So you might have done this search and found this product and you're like, wow, this is going to be great. I see a product here that sells 3,800 a month, but look at the reviews. It's 5,810 reviews. So what does that mean? That means this is a listing that's probably been on there for at least a year or two. It's got an established history. They've probably sold tens of thousands of units to get those 5,800 reviews. So the chances to like steal some of their sales or bump them from page 1, it's not that great. So that's why you'd want to look at times for products that have a lower sale or a higher sales to review ratio. So again, guys, when you do your product research, don't forget about these advanced filters. We're making videos on all of these, and today's again was about the sales to review. Make sure that you're putting in some kind of number here so that you can look for perhaps some ones that are newer or that do not have that many reviews compared to the number of sales that they're getting. Hope you guys found this interesting. We'll see you in the next video.